When you don't chase women, we chase you. So some men proudly say that we don't chase women. Now, is that true? And what to do if he does not pursue? Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite, and for the best dating and relationship advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video every Wednesday and Sunday. In this video, I will share with you 3 types of men who say we don't chase women and how to behave with them in order to get them to pursue you. The first type is he teases, but he doesn't tease just a little, he teases for a long time, hoping that eventually your patience will expire and you will jump on him first. Now, obviously, when you do just that, he says he's not ready for a relationship, he has a commitment issues, or his ex broke his heart, or any other kind of excuse he can think of. But how do you deal with this guy if you're actually really into him, but he's just taking his sweet long time to pursue you? Ladies, you let him take his sweet time. He asks you out, you meet up. He playfully flirts, you respond. Ladies, if it takes him 5 months to hold your hand, you still let him take the lead and do it first. Basically, ladies, your goal here is not to jump on him and be patient. So what would I recommend here? Let him lead you even if it takes forever, and keep your options open in the meantime. So you're not waiting around and just enjoying the friendship in the meantime. The positive thing here is patience usually gets rewarded. And after a while, if you do not chase, and if he decides that you're right for him, get ready for him to pursue you properly and take the lead. And ladies, some of my clients actually have really incredible relationship with these type of non-chasers. The second type is who bluntly says, I do not chase women. Ladies, the truth is, men say that to girls to freak them out. And a lot of us fall into this trap. Or, oh, he doesn't chase, so I will have to text him first. As if he says that he doesn't chase and I will not text him, he will never text me. Ladies, that's just manipulation. If he is into you and he says he doesn't chase, he will pursue if you will not fall for this trap. Yes, it will take him longer, as he will probably play every game on earth before sending you that message. But if he likes you and you are not chasing, he will come around. Again, ladies, just stay patient. Now, is he worth it? If you have a lot of time on your hands for his provocative games in order to get you to chase him, and can ignore it all before he eventually comes around and pursues, then yeah, sure. But if you're not into drama and have more important things to do in life than that, ladies, then he is really not worth it. Please watch my video why guys love playing games on women, which you can find just by following the link right here, and I will also drop it down in my video description box. The third type is the insecure guy. A guy who is too scared to chase or invest. So he chases a bit or invests a bit and then complains a lot. Why you do not pursue, or why do you not give, or why am I the one always texting? These types usually go for available women, the ones that are easy to get, the ones that are needy and pursue men. However, we don't stay with them for long, as obviously these women don't fulfill men's love needs. Ladies, watch my video High Value Woman Secrets, where I talk a lot about the differences between men and women. It's actually my latest YouTube live, And I will link that video right here, and I will also drop it down in the description box. So what do you do if you like this type of guy? If you are behaving high value, he will always come back your way. As no matter how much he doesn't want to chase, you will be on his mind as the one that he could not have. And it's only natural for a man to be attracted to that. However, when he will come back, it's very likely that what he offers again will just not be up to your standard. As again, these guys are just too insecure to pursue or invest. So very likely you will reject and he will date the easy, available and needy woman until he gets bored and gets back to your case again. Ladies, it's like a vicious cycle that doesn't end. But could there be potential for this? Sure, sometimes if he eventually steps it up. But again, do you have time for this? So now you know what to do if a guy says that he doesn't pursue. But do you know how to keep him interested when he does start to pursue you? And for this I have a video which is called How to Keep a Man in Love with You, which I will link right here and down in the description box below. And if you have any stories that you're happy to share where the guy said he doesn't chase but started chasing you like crazy, please post them in the comments below. It would be awesome to read. So like it if you liked it, share it with the ladies who need it, join my secret society on Facebook which is called Greta's High Value Women's School, where we are in the same boat learning how to be a woman of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram, it's called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one or group coaching, please book me through my website, which is called Ladies Relationship Coach, and then get in touch with me through WhatsApp, as that is where I coach. And the little feet that you heard crawling around are my two little pups, and we're gonna see kisses from London. Mwah.